back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about two shampoos from Wow Skin Science. And these are the first shampoos that I ever purchased from Wow Skin Science, and that was, I think, maybe 4 years back. And this is the shampoo, which is Wow Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo. And I also have the conditioner, which is organic virgin coconut oil plus avocado oil. So these are the two products I got. So very interestingly, I clearly remember when I ordered the first product from them, and I was just sitting and I've heard about Wow Skin Science, and apple cider vinegar was one of the things that I used to take it for weight loss and for all those benefits. So I was very intrigued that a shampoo was introduced, which was apple cider vinegar shampoo. So that is why I clearly remember when I ordered it, and when I got it I really did like it, and now I've ordered it again after so many years. This is the shampoo which is really good for the people जिनके बाल काफ़ी ऑयली रहते हैं. तो एप्पल साइडर विनेगर जो है वो बहुत अच्छे से क्लीन करता है, डिटॉक्स करता है आपके बालों को, एंड दिस इज़ वेरी जेंटल एंड नेचुरल, एंड इट ऑल्सो सेज दैट इट इज़ अ डिटॉक्स फार्मूला फॉर स्ट्रेस्ड ट्रेसेस. सो एक तरीके से जो आपके बाल थोड़े कुछ लोगों के बाल ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत ही डल बेजान टाइप के होते हैं, उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. बट मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से, बिकॉज आई हैव यूज्ड वाओ के शैम्पू, सो मेनी शैम्पूज, सो आई वुड रिकमेंड कि जिनके बाल थोड़े ऑयली होते हैं उनके लिए ये शैम्पू बेस्ट रहता है. एंड आई ऑल्सो यूज़ इट इन द समर सीजन ओनली, बिकॉज समर इज़ ऑलमोस्ट हियर, so that is why I ordered this shampoo. The packaging is quite a lot of shampoos of Wow Skin Science looks like this, but this time I got this conditioner with it, which is intensive conditioning for thin, weak or damaged hair. My hair are not weak or brittle or damaged hair, but I don't know why I just like using things like these which says it is for hair like these, because I think I am getting extra nourishment, extra benefits from these products. So this is organic virgin coconut oil and avocado oil. So I think I had one which was only coconut oil conditioner. So this is with the avocado oil, so this is like a better version of that. I use it when I really want to have a hair mask on my hair, and I also then use the conditioner. So that is why when I have hair oil on, and then I put on hair mask, and then after that I use this shampoo. I don't use this shampoo when I'm not using any kind of hair mask on my hair, because I feel like then it makes my hair a little bit on the drier side, and then I don't like that feeling. So that is why I like the shampoo when I have the hair mask on, because it is giving you that nourishment in any way. So that is why I use this shampoo at that time, but the shampoo is really working good for me. I like the way hair clean करता है, detox करता है, and apple cider vinegar है, and that is why it gives very clear scalp to you. तो जिन लोगों के स्कैल्प में इची स्कैल्प रहता है या फिर डैंड्रफ है, तो वो लोग इसको ट्राई कर सकते हैं. एंड it helps remove buildups, restore shine and smoothness. So जिनके भी बालों में या स्कैल्प में बिल्डअप रहता है, a lot of people do have the buildup जो पता भी नहीं रहता है, so उनके लिए बहुत सही है. एंड एज ऑलवेज जो वाओ के सारे प्रोडक्ट हैं उनमें पैराबेन्स नहीं है, सल्फेट नहीं है, सिलिकॉन नहीं है, so that is why the products are really good. But you have to just choose the shampoo which works well for you, and I keep on changing my shampoos based on the weather and based on how my hair are feeling, and these two are working really good for me. But I keep on changing my shampoos because I just love using different kind of shampoos and experimenting with them. But this is really working good for me, and I would suggest for summer season. And also if you have oily scalp, build up dandruff and itchy scalp, you would want to try this shampoo. That's all guys for this review. Bye.